Hi everyone, this is Indrajit and you are watching Iconic Indro. Today I am sharing you the best 5 methods to improve your spoken English skill to the next level. So keep watching and get started. So the first point to remember, that is be slow. Don't be hurry at the beginning. So keep a slow pace while speaking English, because English is not our native languages. That's why you all get stuck while speaking English. So you have to remember that while speaking English, please be slow. Then think about whatever you are thinking to express yourself in English. Then speak out. Okay. So be slow, right? And the second point to remember, that is increase your stock of word, because this is the first attempt to improve your spoken English skill well. If you have a good stock of words, then you can deliver your expression in English very well. So you need a lot of vocabularies to improve your spoken English skill. And you know that there is a popular saying that the word is mightier than the sword. Okay, so you have to need a well stock of word to improve your spoken English skill. There is a playlist named English Word Trove. Okay, you can check those English vocabularies videos and increase your vocabulary skill. And I have given the link in this description for you. Check it out, all of them, and practice with yourself more and more and more and more. Okay, so go and watch those playlist. This playlist will help you a lot to improve your spoken English skill as well as to increase your English vocabulary skill to the next level. So watch them and practice. And the third one is read English storybooks. It helps a lot, I believe that. And remember that while reading the storybooks, please speak out loudly, because it really helps you to grow your confidence and make your voice clear in English, as well as it helps you to pronunciate the English words. And you know that while reading storybooks, it helps to grow our interest in reading. That's why I can learn a lot of English words. So it helps me to improve my vocabulary skill. Is it not? So read the English storybooks and improve your vocabulary skill. And the fourth one is watch English movies with subtitles, because it really helps you to improve your spoken English skill as well as to learn the expression, the real expression in English. Okay, so the fourth point is do watch the English movies with subtitles. The benefit of watching the English movies with subtitles is whenever you are not able to understand the English, then you can watch the subtitles and learn whatever they are saying. Is it not? So it helps you a lot to improve your spoken English skill. And the last one is practice. Practice makes perfect, and we all know that practice is the only key to success, right? So you need to practice more and more and more and more, so that you can improve your spoken English skill with ease. And I believe that the more you will practice, the more you will learn. So keep practicing spoken English with your friends as well as family members as well as relatives to improve your spoken English skill. And you make the way of speaking easier by practicing. Okay, and in this channel I have uploaded a lot of English conversational videos in the playlist named Camel English Conversation Practice, so you can watch them and practice with yourselves more and more and achieve your goal. The link of the playlist I have given in the description, so check it out. Now I am concluding with this, that never give up. Keep practicing with yourself as well as with your family as well as with your friends, and whenever you speak, please try to speak in English, because it really helps you to improve your spoken English skill in the easiest way. Okay, and if this video will help you to improve your spoken English skill, please give a like, share to your friends and family, and if you are new in this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel Iconic Indro. So see you soon in my next video. Stay tuned with me. Bye.